In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to make passive income with affiliate marketing with no website and no followers. So if you're starting completely from scratch, by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what to do. So stick with me till the end. Here's the lie you've been sold. All right. The lie is that you have to build a massive following, and that's the only way you can make passive income with affiliate marketing. And 10 years ago, when I first started, that was mostly true. But that's not true anymore. Right? So if you're stuck at zero, here's what not to do. Don't sign up for affiliate programs that pay once, and don't sign up for programs that pay you very low commissions. Okay? This is how you get stuck, as I did for a very long time, promoting affiliate offers that, number one, pay a very low commissions and earn pennies, and number two, you have to go viral again. Each month you start over, and you have to attract a whole new batch of customers to make your monthly income goals. It's never going to work. The solution is to get paid over and over again. So you want to sign up for a reoccurring affiliate program that pays reoccurring commissions. Okay. And this is a massive advantage. All right. So most affiliate programs, when you sign up, they don't tell you what to do. Right. So you get your unique affiliate link, but they don't tell you how to drive traffic to the link or drive sales. So they just leave you out to dry. Right. So hopefully I've convinced you that reoccurring commissions are better, but you also need the know-how of how to drive traffic to the link. Okay. The best way to do that is to post on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Now, this is the advantage of short form content over when I started 10 years ago, where this allows you, anyone with no following, to reach a massive audience. Okay. Now, obviously, with affiliate marketing, there's no inventory, no customer service, nothing like that. All right. No product creation. You could tap into offers that are proven to work. Okay. Like I said, short form video is the game changer. And what I want you to think of is each post as a piece of digital real estate that works for you. So you don't need an audience. Whenever you post short form content, that content is pushed out to people who don't follow you. Even if you have a big following, your content is pushed out to 95% people who don't already follow you. All right. So you can absolutely succeed at this with a completely clean slate without a big following already. All right. Now, all you need to do is connect the right people with the right solution. Right. And let the content do the selling. You put your link in the bio and you post short form content and let the content do the selling. Now, I highly recommend putting a call to action like follow plus comment ready, and I'll show you how. Something like that, so that people are interacting with your videos, which again leads to the flywheel of pushing that content to more and more people. Now I want to introduce Project Profit. This is the group that pays you. You get your unique affiliate link immediately and earn reoccurring commissions every time you refer somebody to the group. So you don't have to guess which product to promote. This is a perfect match with a proven offer to ready buyers and a clear message of how to earn reoccurring commissions and make passive income with affiliate marketing. You're basically getting paid to post short videos on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. So all you do is post and get paid. You can use faceless content. You don't need to show your face if you don't want to. Right? So again, you get zero website costs. You don't need to buy inventory. You don't need to deal with customer service. And you can start earning on day one. So you start posting videos, you drive them to your link, and you earn monthly reoccurring commissions. All right. So every time a member joins, you earn the monthly reoccurring commissions as long as they stay a member. All you do is post content, get clicks, and get commissions. Consistency beats virality. So what I recommend is that you post not at least, post exactly 3 times a day. When you post content 3 times a day, you build this flywheel where old videos continue to get traffic, right? If you post a really great video that the platforms like, which are optimized for watch time and engagement, that video can continue to be pushed out months later after you made the initial post, right? So it becomes very valuable. And people are continuing to, reach your page and watch your videos. So all of your videos benefit from just one viral video. It's like pulling the lever at a slot machine. You need to pull it as many times as you can because eventually one of them might go viral. Now, I've seen the same exact content get 30 views and 3 million views. So you have to give it enough chances to actually go viral because when you first post a video, it's shown to a very small audience, and based on how that small audience engages with the video, the algorithm decides to push it to more people. And you never know how that initial audience might react, right? One like or one comment might make all the difference and push that video to mega virality, right? So I want you to imagine earning monthly recurring commissions, having a base of income that transfers every single month, and understanding that the growth potential of recurring income can change your life forever. Okay? Now, here's where most people go wrong. Most people don't see results in the first couple of videos and they kind of give up on posting. And this is exactly how people end up continuing to be broke and bouncing around different offers and not knowing what to do. They haven't stuck with it long enough to see the results, right? So what I need you to do is commit for at least 90 days, posting 3 times a day. You put in the work now and reap the benefit forever. Now you already know the truth. Other affiliate programs with one-time payments aren't going to get it done. And what you actually need is income that stacks and reoccurring commissions that pay you over and over. So what I want you to do is join Project Profit. But before you go, subscribe to this channel, hit the thumbs up button, comment your income goals below, share this video with a friend who wants to make money. And if you really want to help my channel grow, watch this video 100 times. And then, if you're ready to get started, sign up in the link in the description below and let's make some money.